Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to put text and an image side by side in MS Word, and I'll show you a simple method that makes your document look neat and professional. First, go to the Insert tab, and from Table, select a 2x1 table. This will create two cells side by side. Don't worry, we will make the table invisible, so it will just look like your text and image are aligned perfectly. Now, on the top left corner of the table, you'll see a small icon. Right-click on it and go to Table Properties. In the window that opens, click on Borders and Shading, select None, and click OK. This will remove the visible borders, giving your document a clean look. Next, in the cell, write or paste your text. You can write as much as you want, and it will stay neatly inside the cell. We will insert a picture. Go to Insert Pictures and choose this device if your picture is saved on your computer. You can also use other options like online pictures or stock images if you want. Once your picture is inserted, you can resize it by dragging the corners, and you'll notice the text automatically adjusts to fit nicely beside it. You can also format your text, like changing the font, size, or color to match your image perfectly. And that's it. Now your text and image are side by side, looking professional and easy to read. To learn more useful MS Word tips and tricks, check out my other videos.